Hello everyone and welcome back. So August update for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is available right now. It is about 500 MB in size and the changelog mentions bug fixes, better device stability with enhanced performance. I got this update just today on my Snapdragon Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It will be available for your region pretty soon. Just make sure to check out for updates by going into settings, software update, and here tap on download and install. So after updating my phone, the camera app has been fixed. Now it does not stop or crash in portrait mode. Also video recording is working fine as well, which was not the case before, where the camera app just crashed and lagged in portrait mode. Also when I tried to record a 10-second video, the gallery was showing me about 60 minutes of video recording. That was a strange bug, but right now it seems to be fixed with this new update. The camera viewfinder still stutters a bit, but anyways, let's wait a bit more for stable One UI 4.5 update that I think so will enhance the whole experience a lot. Also after the update, overall phone feels a bit smoother. Apart from little hiccups, there is no major crash, and about battery life, I cannot say anything as of now. But surely with July update, I was not getting good battery life. I will test it out and post my feedback in the community section, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel and turn on notifications for that. One UI 4.5 is expected to be available around 10th of August with Samsung Unpacked event. I'm a lot excited for that. Let's see what new Samsung brings to the table. So this was the update for today. I hope you liked it and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.